it, not me. Anna pushed me. Ask her. Jack, you broke it. No, Anna, you did it.
Every story has two sides. Let's find out what's really happened.
Good morning. Time for work. Have a good day.
Goodbye, love. See you tonight.
Bye. Have a good day at work, honey.
Anna, watch what I can do.
Jack broke it. It was him. He did it.
Anna did it. She started it. Ask her. What was that?
Anna, Jack, are you okay? Oh no, the lamp. Beautiful lamp. Mom, he ran inside and hit the table and...
I tripped. Her toys were everywhere and...
Both of you, stop right now.
One at a time, please.
Brown, please come home. The kids need you.
Sophia, what happened? Are the kids okay?
I'm coming home right now, love. Don't worry. I'm home. Everyone, let's talk.
I've got this. Let me talk to them.
Anna, Jack, come closer, please. I want to hear everything.
One at a time. No interrupting. I mean it.
Anna, you first. Tell us what happened. Take your time.
I was in the living room building my tower, being very careful.
Anna, look what I just...
You see? I didn't touch the lamp. He did. He was running like this, very fast, right into the table.
But that's not...
Your turn is coming, Jack.
My blocks were right here. I was building here. I didn't move them. I did not touch the lamp. I promise. Not me. That's what happened. It was all Jack.
Thank you, Anna. That was very helpful.
Now me? Dad, now me. Can I talk now?
Jack, are you ready to tell your side?
Okay, so here's what really happened. I was outside. I was just playing. Normal playing. Then I came inside. I didn't mean to.
Her toys were everywhere. Look, how do I not trip over this?
But
Same rules. Let him finish.
I didn't mean to. Really. It was an accident.
See? It wasn't my fault. Her toys made me fall. That's it. Anna, I have a question for you. One question. Were your blocks on the floor, Anna?
yes.
Jack, were you running inside the house?
Yeah.
Every story has two sides. Did you know that? Now let me show you something. Watch this. This is you. This is you. This is the lamp. Both arrows touch it. Both arrows. Both point here. Both of you touched this story.
Oh, that's Cindy. I'll get it.
Hello. I'm here for... Oh my, what happened? Oh my, this looks like quite the morning.
Broken lamp, both blame each other. Brown has them talking.
I understand. I might be able to help.
Cindy, please join us. I think you might have something helpful to say.
Thank you, Brown. I'll be happy to. In my class last week, 2 students had an argument. A big one. Student A said she took my pencil and didn't ask. She was very upset. But student B said, I only borrowed it because mine was broken. Also upset. When they both listened to each other, they understood, and they became friends.
Now, the big question. Who is responsible for the broken lamp?
I am. My blocks were on the floor.
Me too. I was running inside.
I am so proud of you both. It takes courage to say, I was part of this. Are you ready?
Jack, I'm sorry I left my blocks on the floor.
I'm sorry I was running inside the house.
I am proud of both of you. What about this lamp? We fix it?
I don't think so, Dad. It's too broken.
Then we have a plan. We will buy a new lamp together as a family.
Can we help?
Yes.
Can we put money in? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ta-da!
Oh, this jar is so heavy now.
Thank you. I love this family.
I have something for you. Today's most important word. Can you read this?
Responsible.
Responsible.
Responsible means you know your part and you fix it.
Responsible.
Let's clean this up together.
Blocks go there, pieces go here. Teamwork.
I found the last piece. Here it is.
Goodbye, everyone. What a wonderful morning. Remember, always listen to the other side.
You handled that beautifully.
They did.
That one.
No, that one.
Pink lamp.
Robot lamp.
What about this one?
I vote for this one.
Ordered! It arrives tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. A new lamp
tomorrow.
The next day,
Ladies and gentlemen, the new lamp. And let there be light.
It's better than the old one.
So, what did we learn today?
Every story has 2 sides.
Listen before you judge.
And being responsible is very brave.